One more for the road. One more. Should be wrong. Should be wrong, but I'm not sure why. It feels like it should be wrong. Go h4. Get really aggressive. But of course, I'm playing this ridiculously too. Don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, this game I'm just playing stupidly for no reason. I'm still probably okay. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go for it with h5 and g4. Slow down, slow down, slow down, Speedy Gonzalez. Slow down. What am I even doing? God. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just suddenly like losing my mind. I don't know why. I feel like I'm okay here, but I'm not 100% sure that I am. Oh, the music's wrong? Okay, let's change the song. That's too slow. Okay. Could be good, it could be bad. Smooth operator. Could be good, could be bad. We'll see. Kramnik tweeted, unless he tweeted something actually new, I just don't want to hear it. I can actually go king f2 maybe, I just realized. Yeah. He didn't tweet, okay. Yeah, I gotta focus. Come on, focus. Queen d4 f6, queen 5 f6, queen 4 f6, queen d7, queen 5 f6, queen d3. There's no good way. Come on, you gotta move. Here. Just move, just move. I don't know what I'm doing here. I do have rook c1, maybe rook c1 or... I hope this is okay. Really not sure if this is okay or not. It doesn't look great, but I think it's playable. And I can go like... I think I'm okay here, but I'm down time, so I'm gonna have to win on the board. Very sad when you can't flag. Rook b5 was probably also... Or maybe... I thought rook d5 was better, but maybe not. Here, rook d5, very bad move, because now I have bishop c4. And now I'm just pushing my p again. Bishop f3, or do I go bishop c4? I don't actually know. I think I'm gonna trust my instinct that this is right. I just keep pushing p. I think I'm winning. This should be winning, I assume. Checkmate. All right, I'm gonna go use the restroom. We'll be right back, and we'll keep going.